That's where I went in, but I got stuck at the first part.
What?
You get stuck at the first part, but then you squeeze your way out and then you just fly down.
Whoa! That was gnarly!
It's badass, right?
Oh boy!
It's like once you get past that first...
Yeah. I hit my right hip. I think it was there though. I hit it somewhere. Other than that, I did nothing. I should have gone my ass down here though. I tried to put my feet down.
Oh.
And it's really shot. You just gotta go ass.
Yeah. I try to slow myself down.
Yeah, like I didn't really hit my... I guess I rubbed something there, but...
Yeah.
I think that was just against the moss. I hit my right ass cheek a little bit, but other than that...
I want to go again.
Oh yeah.